Hey guys, Adam Burges here, owner of Advan Performance in Auburn. We're a European workshop. We specialise in all late model BMWs, but when we do get bored, we play with Falcons. We've got a fleet of drift cars, drag racing cars, circuit racing cars, all of which some are BMW and some aren't. And for most of them, where applicable, we run and use Plazmaman parts. Well, essentially what we've got here is the mighty Barra, as everybody would say, Barra of the world. I love this car, love this motor. The BA motors are actually probably one of the weaker motors, but with the help of Plazmaman, the intercooler, the inlet and outlet piping kit, we've been able to free a lot of pressure up in the system. So the car actually builds very good boost. It's a very standard car, valve springs, a hypergear turbo, and just an upgraded fuel system in conjunction with all the Plazmaman goodies. Makes about 300 kilowatts and it'll make that all day long. Car gets used, abused, everything. Plazmaman keeps this car cool, keeps it reliable and efficient, and it allows me just to thrash it. I will actually be out at Pheasantwood, the new circuit, or the rebranded circuit, which used to be Marulan, on Saturday, which is the 25th, day before Australia Day. I will be there for Spawn the Drift. Everybody knows Flash Smith, awesome bloke, runs some really cool events. So this will be out there and we'll just be turning some tyres.